The bear market rally continued for a second week, ended on October 28th. The NASDAQ gained 2.2%, as you can see on this chart. The S&P 500 was up 4%, as you can see here, and the Dow Jones was up 5.7%. Apple was up 7.5% on Friday, which helped the other big tech stocks like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Meta rally after a dismal performance earlier in the week. The model has 7 open positions. Let's take a look at that. The first one is SMH. Coming out of, breaking up off the bottom here. Got a position in that one. XLF is the financial sector. Gained 6.2% this week. XLK. And that one's up 4%. XLV, which is healthcare. And that one is up 5%, I think. Yeah. XLI, which is the industrial sector. That was up 6.7%. XLB is breaking out a little bit there. It's up 3.4%. IYR, I believe that is real estate. Yeah. And that's up 6.62%. The SPY, which we looked at earlier, was up 3.94, even though the actual S&P 500 was up 4%. And then the last position we have is ITA, and that's up 5.5% for the week. So if we take a look at our model, whoops, you see we gained 12.3% month to date, 127.6% year to date, and we're beating our benchmark S&P 500 by 145.8% and the NASDAQ by 156.7%. If we look at the heat map, and this is the exchange traded funds, and you can see it's a very broad rally. Well, let's go over to the S&P 500 and take a look at some of the big movers. There you see Apple. For the week, it was up 5.7, but for the day, it was up 7.5%. And then there you see the big glams all being held up or helped up by Apple. There's some other nifty 50 type stops. There's MasterCard and there's Visa up nicely. MRK, that's Merck and Company. Bristol Myers Squibb, they both reported earnings and they're up nicely. McDonald's and Coke. Well, here's Coke, Pepsi, McDonald's. Where's McDonald's at? It was up pretty good too. If I could just find it. There it is, 7.84% for McDonald's. And there were other, Intel, which is not as big as it used to be, but Intel reported and they were up 7.8%. And then Exxon and Chevron, which are pretty big stocks, they were up pretty nicely also. And Caterpillar, which I don't even know if it's on here, it was also up about 10%. Now there's lots of earnings next week, including Berkshire Hathaway, PayPal, let's see, Qualcomm, Starbucks, Eli Lilly, and ConocoPhillips, and Amgen. So that's all we have for this week. I'm Greg Gallagher. Good luck and good trading.